day 6 mindfulness. So come and join me and Tracey as we do this together. And if you want to do this later, that's fine. It's up to you how you want to go about this. So sit tight and enjoy this video.
Hey guys, this is Faith Hunter and welcome to day 6 of our 30-day meditation challenge on YouDoYoga. Today's meditation is simply allowing yourself to just be. We've spent the past couple of days just kind of focusing on breath and kind of moving with the breath and focusing on centering and calming the mind. And now we're going to kind of utilize all of those little techniques of breathing, self-awareness, and allow yourself to just be in the state of meditation. Hopefully you will find this a simple, easy practice. Today we're going to take our hands and place the backs of your hands on your knees. Allow the palms to float up. Keep the elbows soft as you sit comfortably on your blanket or your pillow, and just allow your breath to flow in and out. And what I'd like for you to do is you breathe in and out. Allow the thoughts that may be drifting into your mind, just allow them to float in. And as those thoughts float in, try your best not to craft or create stories around them. As you exhale, let them drift out. Simply allow the breath to come in. If a thought pops up, allow that to show up. And exhale, let it release. Simply follow the breath, watch the breath, observe the breath. And if a thought does appear, just imagine it being a ship passing along the shore. It drifts in and it continues to sail out. Maintain the steadiness of your breath, the calmness of your breath. Watch the breath. And if thoughts appear, let them slowly float back out with each and every exhale. Follow the breath. Watch the breath. Deep breath in. Exhale slowly out of your mouth. Deep breath in. Exhale slowly out of your mouth. Bring the palms together, create a little heap. Take those hands, place them over your eyes. And as the hands release, slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me here for our meditation. And I will see you on tomorrow.